Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Pepe Astuce et Partage. Do you like cooking? Cooking with love? Cooking out of your comfort zone? Cooking from scratch? Trying different ways of cooking? If the answer is yes, then this is your platform. In today's video, I'm going to make some sausages. Sausages stew. Please follow the steps and watch to the end. So for my stew, I'm going to need sausages, which I'm going to take the skin off. I'm going to need some spring onion, some garlic. I'm going to need some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, a little bit of tomato puree. I need celery sticks. I need some bay leaves. I need some paprika, cayenne pepper, salt of course. We need some oil for frying. I'm going to need some basil for seasoning and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to need some thyme and some cinnamon sticks. So like I said to start, I'm going to remove the skin from the sausages. Just cut for like this and remove. Like that. So I'm going to make it like a little balls. Sausage balls. Today's video, I'm going to send a hug to one of my top fans watching me from Cameroon, Giselle Lily. Hi Giselle, thank you for liking and sharing my video and supporting. Let me know where you're watching me from and I'll send you a hug in my next video. So it goes like this. I need to remove all the skin first. Sausage stew. Like this. Very light and easy meal. Once you remove everything, then it's going to be okay. Well, the sausages are already seasoned, but I'm just going to add my own seasoning. They are pork sausages. So then I have all my sausages. I'm just going to make the ball, little sausage ball. Cut into two and just make a ball. Don't need to have a beautiful shape. That should be okay. So that's how it looks like. Put it on the side and I'm just going to get the onions and spring onion. If you don't eat pork, you can just do the same recipe with beef. Beef meatball. So, go like this. Get my onions. So I'll turn the cooker on. This is medium heat. So now my pot is hot enough. Let's put this oil in. Oops. Fry my onions. A little bit of spring onion as well. Then put my sausages. Let it fry until it starts getting golden. Let's add a pinch of salt. Sausages are really salty, so make sure you don't over put salt. So let's get all the ingredients ready. Celery sticks. And garlic. Then tomato cut into two. Let's check our sausages. Let's flip over, facing down one side. Make sure it's all brown. Now I'm going to add my garlic. Add some thyme and bay leaves. See, that's it. So now cinnamon stick in, celery stick, tomatoes, stir everything well to combine. Just add some paprika, about half a teaspoon. Add some cayenne pepper, a little bit spicy hot. Some basil, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, now stir well to combine. Now I'm going to add some tomato puree, and some boiling water. Stir well and turn the cooker on a low heat. Cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. That's it done. I'm just going to check the seasoning. All good. Now I'm going to turn the cooker off. Sausage stew is ready. Let's eat. My stew is ready. Sausage stew is ready. Feel free to join. Very hot. Bon appetit and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Bye.